Ready to experience the zenith of student living? Wait no more, as Harrington Housing Midtown Manhattan, New York is all set for you to move in. It's your gateway to the perfect student accommodation experience in New York City. From ensuite and non-ensuite shared apartments where camaraderie is forged to private studio apartments ensuring top-tier privacy and independence, the student home has it all. All the rooms here come well furnished with a cozy bed, fresh linen, a television to keep you entertained, and a wardrobe to store all your gear. What's more, work collectively and give a boost to your productivity in the co-working space. Tone up those muscles in the in-house gym. Moreover, the provision of a washer and dryer lets you take care of laundry all by yourself at your convenience. And when the weekend calls, you're in luck. From iconic restaurants and pubs like Connolly's and Gabby O'Hara's to Central Park adventures, all within an arm's reach, your student life will be nothing short of unforgettable. Also, Harrington Housing Midtown Manhattan is a short walk away from the City University of New York, making it a popular choice among students. So, what are you waiting for? All that you've dreamt of is right here at this amazing home in NYC. Head over to amberstudent.com right now and secure your spot to experience the best of what New York has to offer.